Driving sustainability and fostering innovation have been the heart of ISIEINDIA's journey over the last decade. As the largest skill development organization in sustainable mobility in India, we have made a profound impact spanning 24 states and reaching communities across the country. Since 2013, our parent organization has been tirelessly working to create an ecosystem for skill development, research, innovation, and entrepreneurship in the electric vehicle industry. Through our state-of-the-art Center of Excellence, skill development programs, faculty development programs, corporate training sessions, CSR activities, and a wide spectrum of courses with live and recorded interactive classes, we have empowered individuals with the future-ready skills. Additionally, through national and international e-mobility events such as the Electric Solar Vehicle Championship, Formula Imperial, Indian Karting Race, and the e-bike design challenge, we have provided a transformative platform for over 4 lakh students from more than 750 colleges and universities to showcase their innovative projects and ideas. Our unwavering dedication to excellence has been recognized with numerous prestigious honors, including the National Youth Award, Indian Star Award, Social Entrepreneurship Award, Titans of Technology Award, and many others. ISIEINDIA's initiatives have earned widespread recognition and support from the leading organizations such as NITI Aayog, MNRE, SMEV, AICTE, NSDC, and ASDC. Along with this, endorsement from over 100 plus automotive industry leaders and partnership with more than 900 academic institutions across India. The Center of Excellence, where education and skilling converge to drive innovation, skill development, and entrepreneurship. The Center of Excellence aren't just institutions, they are a hub of innovation and transformation. With specialized facility for IoT and embedded system, drone technology, electric vehicles, and solar energy, our centers are designed to equip individuals with the cutting-edge expertise and hands-on experience in the technologies driving the future of mobility and sustainability. This is more than a center. It's a platform for empowering the next generation of leaders. Unite education, innovation, and industry to create an industry-ready workforce equipped to meet the demand of rapidly evolving EV ecosystem. We bridge the gap between academia and industry through cutting-edge research, hands-on training, and dynamic collaborations. Our center stands apart with a state-of-the-art infrastructure, from state-of-the-art learning equipment to cutting-edge hardware systems. Our facilities are designed to provide hands-on experience with real-world applications. Here, students and professionals work with the cutting-edge technologies like electric vehicle powertrain system, battery solutions, charging infrastructure, and a range of advanced testing prototyping tools and machineries, preparing them to tackle the challenges of tomorrow's electric vehicle industry. The center also offers hands-on experience with the real-world applications, enabling participants to work on EV components, testing procedures, and system integration, ensuring they are industry ready for emerging EV technologies and trends. The Center of Excellence caters to the diverse demand of government, academia, NGOs, and industries by providing a collaborative platform that aligns with their respective objectives. COE supports the government's vision for sustainable mobility and skill development by creating a skilled workforce equipped with the cutting-edge knowledge and practical experience in the electric vehicle technologies. It bridges the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application. It offers academic institutions access to advanced equipment, research opportunities, and industry-relevant curriculum. By providing students with a real-world exposure, the COE enhances the quality of education and contributes to the growth of specialized EV program and research. The COE helps industries by providing industry-ready talent and fostering innovation through research and development initiatives. It collaborates with the businesses to address their technical need in EV hardware solutions, assist in workforce upskilling, and partners on R&D projects, enabling them to stay ahead in the competitive market. Not only this, it also collaborates with the NGOs to promote sustainable practices and provide training that empowers marginalized community. We have successfully developed over 50 plus specialized centers that cater to the unique demand of government, academia, industries, and NGO. The center with Government Office of Kerala, a Higher Education Department, Government of Kerala, Directorate of Skill Development, Employment, Odisha, MSME Technology Center, with academic institutions like IIT Mandi, IIT Roorkee, Calcutta University, LNCT University, Desh Bhagat University, MIT ADD University, UGI, CSMSS, EDCET, PES, and many more. In addition to this, we have developed the centers for industries such as Hero MotoCorp, L&T, and for organizations and NGOs including ICICI Foundation, EduNet, Govardhan Eco Village, and foreign agencies such as CRISNEL South Africa. Our goal is to establish over 250 plus centers worldwide by 2026, positioning India as a global hub for electric vehicle workforce. Whether it's an engineer, technician, or entrepreneur, our comprehensive training programs are something for everyone. From vehicle control system and IoT integration to energy management and autonomous vehicle programming, our curriculum covers every aspect of the EV ecosystem. These multidisciplinary courses ensures students gain the skills needed to excel in this fast evolving field. Through partnership with industry leaders, startups, and government agencies, we connect students to cutting-edge projects and practical experiences. From internship to mentorship and collaborative research, our students gain direct exposure to the EV industry's dynamics. Our alumni are pioneers in the EV sector, designing cutting-edge battery systems, leading research teams, and launching successful startups. Their journey starts right here at the Center of Excellence, where they transformed ideas into impactful solutions. We are committed to staying at the forefront of innovation and building a sustainable, inclusive future. Join us today and be a part of the electric vehicle revolution.